Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets. And yes, I went ahead and I purchased another Google Pixel 2 XL. This is my 5th purchase of a Google Pixel 2 XL. I want to see if I can finally get a unit that has a decent screen. As you know, with previous unboxings and previous purchases I've made, some of them have a blue tint or blue tinge issue with the screen. If you want to check out the videos, you can check out the link here. I've also left links down in the description. Go ahead and check them out. Some people can get past it. Myself personally, I don't think you should pay the kind of money they do for a premium product like this and come out with a screen like that. So I went ahead and I purchased another one here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, see if there's an issue with the screen, and if there isn't, hey cool, I'll keep it. If there is, I'll be sending it right back. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, we got the top off here. Let's go ahead and take out the phone. I'm actually gonna just peel off this cover here about halfway in case I do need to return it. So we'll go ahead and power on the Pixel 2 XL. So there's our white screen. I'm looking at it dead on, and as soon as I tilt it, yeah, I see that blue? So that's a white screen, and as soon as I tilt it to either side, you know, it's not an extreme angle, and I can see that blue. Do you guys see that? So that was my issue with previous units. Now I went ahead and I checked the manufacturer date of this, and you can do that using the link I have down below here. What you do is you plug in your IMEI. The manufacturer date of this unit was actually November 14th. The unit I had before this was actually November 24th, so this unit's actually older, but I bought it later. So I don't know if that means that Google has excess stock or things are coming back or whatever, but that is the issue with this one here. It's, again, manufactured November. Apparently units that are manufactured in December or later don't have this issue. But again, I know that you don't look at your phone from an angle all day, but if your phone is sitting down like this on a flat surface, you get a notification that comes in. Let's say you have a white background, that's distracting. Of course, when you lift it up, look at it dead on, no issues at all. But again, that blue tinge, that shouldn't be happening, not at an angle like that. I have seen it happen with other OLED screens at an extreme angle like this, and you can see that in actually an iPhone 10 comparison I did here. Check out the link up here. The link is also down below. But yeah, it shouldn't be happening at a simple little, you know, a simple angle just like that. So yeah, there we are again, guys. I'm just gonna power this down and gonna go ahead and send this back to Google. I promise you that is the absolute last time that I'm gonna be going through this test. So anyway, if you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button over here as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.